everybody! I'm here today with a driving lesson on showing you when to stop for parallel parking, okay? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly when to stop for parallel parking. Now the focus of this video, I should say, is not going to be on the actual steering and the movement for parallel parking. It's actually going to be on when to stop when you're like reversing into the spot and driving forward. So before I demonstrate, I just need to go over a few things. So please pay attention. It's all going to make sense after. So what you're looking for in a parallel parking space is a space that is about a car length and a half of your vehicle. So you want an additional half of your vehicle length. Now, what does that translate to? That translates to roughly about an extra 6 to 7 feet of space. So you have your regular car length plus 6 to 7 extra feet of space in total. Now, if you're really good at parallel parking, you can swerve the car into place. You can swivel the car into place and just get it perfectly in place, and you don't have to adjust. But you need to be really good at parallel parking in order to make that happen. So for the most part, you know, you're gonna have to sort of swivel it into place, and then you're gonna have to sort of move back and forth for it to make sense. So basically what you're gonna do, this guy's giving me a look over here. What's this guy doing pulled over in front of my house? Sorry, man, I'm just pulled over on the side of the road to get this intro done. I apologize. Where was I? You know, you're gonna need some extra space, basically. So you're gonna swivel the car into the parallel parking spot, and then you're gonna drive forward to even out the space. So when do you stop? Well, you have an extra, we'll call it 6 feet, okay? So ideally you wanna have about 3 feet behind your car and 3 feet in front of your car. So you split that 6 foot total in half. In order to actually make that happen. This guy's really looking at me like, what am I doing here? I really got to get the car moving. So anyways, what you want to do is you want to parallel park, get the car in place, and then you want to back up until you're about 1.5 feet from the car behind you, and then you want to move forward to split the difference. So like 3 feet behind you, 3 feet in front of you. Let's start moving. He's approaching the car. I'm going to say, sorry, senor. Sorry, buddy. Okay, we're good. I feel like I recognize him. I think my dad knows him. I'm in my parents' neighborhood filming this. I feel like my dad knows him, but he's probably wondering what's going on. So what we're gonna do now is, this is ridiculous. We're gonna parallel park, pretend parallel park on the side of the road. There's no cars here. I'm gonna parallel park on the side of the road. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I would be doing. So put my signal on, come to a stop. I'm gonna parallel park between these imaginary cars. So I put it in reverse, turn the steering wheel all the way, do my parallel parking maneuver like this, okay? Just like that, just like that. Now here's when to stop. Here's where the driving lesson comes in play. Now I'm in the spot, but I'm not centered. So I'm gonna keep reversing until I'm about 18 inches, about 1.5 feet from the car behind me, okay? I am now 18 inches from the car behind me, about 1.5 feet. Now remember, there's an extra 6 feet of space in this parallel parking spot. So I need to end up with 3 feet behind me and 3 feet in front of me, okay? So now, I need to move forward another 18 inches, okay? So I have an 18-inch space behind my car, okay, right now, between my car, the back of my car, and the car behind me. Now I'm gonna move forward another 18 inches, roughly, even out that spacing. Now I'm gonna stop again, put the car in park. That's it. I've now stopped at the right points when parallel parking. I didn't get too close to the car behind me. You don't want to get 5-6 inches. That's too close. You can't, even with a rear view camera, that's too close. Stick to like 18 inches is your rule of thumb. Then you want to move forward and even out that spacing. So let's say you have 7 feet of extra space in that parallel parking spot. Well, then you can leave 3.5 feet in front of your car and 3.5 feet behind you. If you have 8 feet of extra space, you can leave 4 and 4. So split the difference, and that's what you want to leave. That's it. That is essentially when to stop for parallel parking, a simple driving lesson. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.